Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap Seabrook local and long-distance movers near me. 3 Movers can help you plan and execute this considerable undertaking. Our simple moving labor will schedule a visual survey of your household goods in order to provide you with an estimate of the cost to complete your move. When we submit our written rate quote, we will answer your questions, discuss additional services like packing, crating of delicate items, and other options like storage. We carefully explain the choices you have for liability coverage so you can select the best fit for you at the best prices available. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Seabrook moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.